let me introduce myself for your channel. As
Mm-hmm.
you know, my name is Pinky Yadvanshi, and I am connecting to you from Punjab. And talking about my academic background, I have done my master's in Hindi literature, and I work as a beautician on and off. Simultaneously, I have started learning this language, and I am teaching to beginners as well. Moreover, my hobbies are reading and writing. There are many actually.
Mm-hmm.
So this is all about me in nutshell.
Nice. Thanks for introducing yourself. Should I?
Mhm.
How do you want me to introduce myself, or shall we go with the
Yeah,
flow?
yeah. Sure, sure, sure.
Yeah, I think I did my introduction in my previous videos. Okay, My name is Islavat Ravi. I'm 32. I'm from India, Andhra Pradesh. Yeah, I worked as a French English translator, then soft skill trainer,
Mm,
voice coach, and then it's sort of communication trainer. Now I work as an English teacher in Uzbekistan. I have a few degrees and certifications in my kitty. I think, yeah, that's a brief. And to talk about my hobbies, I like listening to music, dancing, reading books. Sometimes I do
mm,
painting,
mm,
and I'm a YouTuber.
mhm,
I run a channel called Speaking with Ravi, and besides that, I recently started a platform called Speak Minutes, where I have tutors. They interact with learners, whoever is interested to join to practice and enhance their English communication,
mhm,
especially speaking skills we provide.
mhm,
This brief about myself. Yeah,
mhm, mhm. Glad to know about you. Actually, I forgot to mention I have also YouTube channel. I have
nice,
started it couple of weeks ago.
nice.
Yeah.
I think this is the right place where we actually can uh, give the information about ourselves. You can mention, you can
Mm-hmm.
disclose whatever the things that you have about your channel or any other things that you do. I
Mm-hmm.
think it's the right time. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. But the thing is that I'm not accustomed to talk about my YouTube channel since I have started it
Hmm.
recently. So
Oh,
most of time I forget it.
but
Mm-hmm.
we should let people know. I mean, that's when they can connect with us and improve their
Mm-hmm.
skills, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So what
Right, right,
else? What
right.
else? Have you
Yeah.
planned anything for the video, or shall we go with the flow?
Go with flow. As you say, the ball is in your court.
Oh, great. So it's my turn to decide then. Okay, let's talk
Mm-hmm.
about the New Year resolution. Like, what do you want to improve or work on this year to enhance your scaling
Mm-hmm.
part, or maybe other stuff? So you can share that.
Okay. The thing is that first of all, I don't believe in a New Year resolution.
Mm-hmm.
Sometime I did do it, but out of curiosity, initially used to do it. But now I'm so determined, perseverance, in terms of my goal, whatever I have to do it, I just start it. I don't look for any special occasion.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Got it. Yeah, I
Yes.
think it
So
it
as of
varies
now,
person to person. Yeah, yeah. We should respect their individual
mhm.
things.
Sorry,
Go ahead. Yeah.
mhm. Yeah, I was saying like I'm so sorry. There is a issue related to voice. You're not
Yeah.
getting my voice on time, so there is a
Mm-hmm.
little annoyance here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I was saying, I have some plans in this year. I want to um, grow individually in terms of English or many more ways, right? Being a home human being, I want to elevate myself.
Hmm.
Yeah, moreover, I have been thinking to teach more students, but after few months, not now, because now I am focusing on myself overall.
Great. So when did you
Hmm.
start your channel, and what made you to start this conversation channel? Was there somebody who motivated and encouraged you to start it, or like you decided on yourself?
Uh, See, I would say like I started on my own. It was my decision.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, I wanted to teach people. I was not getting people at that moment,
Mm.
right? And I was going through some financial issues. Still, I am having it, and I was thinking, okay, if I'm going to impart my knowledge in return, maybe I would get paid by those peoples, and it would be win-win situation, right, from both sides. I thought, okay, if I'm going to make my YouTube channel from YouTube, um, uh, I am going to reach out to those people who really need help in terms of English,
Yeah.
speaking skills and all. So that was the thing in my mind. But moreover, it's not about only teaching to people, it's about your progress as
Yeah.
well,
Yeah.
right? So I would say I'm learning every day how to present yourself, how you can speak with good words
Yeah.
accurately, how can you be impeccable speaker,
Yes.
right? You
Yes.
push yourself to present yourself in a very good way, in a very I would say in a very wonderful way.
Yeah.
So it is sort of push. I really dated it. Other than
Mm-hmm.
that, people are going to know you and they are going to connect with you.
Yes.
And yeah, there are no such as such more reasons behind my YouTube channel. Yeah, I have been planning to create my solo videos. So after creating my channel, I made up my mind, okay, I'm going to start my YouTube channel where I'm going to post my solo videos and blog as well. I'm not a I don't have fear of camera, but still, if you are communicating with somebody in this particular language, you tend to fluster a lot, forget a lot,
Yes.
right? And I want to come out of that particular problem. And
Great. Great.
yeah, and I do believe in breaking the cocoon.
Great.
And yeah, that it is.
When you said that you did your graduation in Hindi, right? Hindi uh, subject,
Post graduation in Hindi literature.
Hindi literature. Okay, yeah.
Yes.
Someone who does their
Mm-hmm.
post-graduation, usually they choose that profession which is related to our graduation or post-graduation. But you completely,
Mm-hmm.
I mean, came into this world. Like, was there any particular incident that happened to
Mm-hmm.
you, or like, is there any? I mean, there should be something apart from your interest. Could be surroundings, your professors, or
Mm-hmm.
maybe some challenges that you encountered. You can share if you have any such.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay. It's a nice question, I would say. Actually, my native language is Punjabi, okay, not Hindi. I was not
Okay.
able to speak Hindi at that moment when I was doing it.
Uh-huh.
But I found it's a very easy and it was a cup of tea for me. At that moment, I thought, okay, let me do it, right?
Mm-hmm.
And for the sake of just name,
Mm-hmm.
I did it. And yeah, I am an inquisitive personality. I always keen to learn new things. It really me,
Yeah.
appeal to me. And yeah, there is no such incident in my life because I have a very different ambience. Okay, there is
Mm-hmm.
no one who can speak English, who can speak Hindi fluently, let
Oh,
alone English, right?
got it.
But
Got
I
it.
can, like, things has been changed. Things has been changed in my life. I can speak Hindi
Mm-hmm.
and English as well. So
Great.
yeah,
Great.
as I told you, I'm fond of learning things. I love to elevate my level. I
Great.
started learning that language out of
Great.
nowhere. There was nothing in my mind I would teach ever in my future. I would teach my kids or what I'm going to do. There was no clarity, I would say, in my
Oh.
past. But it is coming to me slowly, gradually. I started taking up new things, new habits on
Mm-hmm.
this particular journey, and I started relishing this journey altogether.
Great.
And yeah, I would say I have learned a lot. Yeah.
Great, great journey you came
Yes.
so far till here. I think there is a long way to go. I'm sure you will accomplish all the wishes or desires, whatever you set up.
Mm-hmm.
I think you're working on it and you're on a right path.
Mm-hmm.
Great. Yes.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Do you have any questions for me or anything else?
So, no, no,
Mm-hmm.
I don't have question actually.
Mm-hmm.
I'm a bit under the weather today, and I had some medication, and
Okay.
I was little intoxication. Right now I'm sleepy, I'm drowsing. But
Happens.
I have booked the session. I thought, okay, let me have it. Actually, I was facing cold issues, the runny nose and
Mm-hmm.
closed nostrils and all. So it
Got it.
really gets me on my nerves. I
Got
thought,
it.
okay, let me take session. No matter what happened to me, I never cancel any session until there is something important.
Great.
Yeah, I'm so
Yes.
determined, I would say.
It has to be
Yeah.
there. In order to be successful, we should be determined. So it's a good
Hmm.
quality. Yeah. Great.
Hmm. Okay, so I have a question.
Mm-hmm.
You told me you teach English, right? So how did you get students from YouTube itself, or do you have other platform, or you teach people offline on certain place?
Okay. To answer your latest question, I don't teach offline. I I
Mm-hmm.
mean, either upload my videos on YouTube, and from there I get request, and then WhatsApp
Mm-hmm.
status, and then I advertise my
Mm-hmm.
platform on Instagram, Facebook, and all,
Mm-hmm.
and that's when it will reach to people based of the I mean algorithm
Mm-hmm.
recommendations. If people are interested
Mm-hmm.
surfing English related, it will recommend them, and then they'll text me stating that I need to know more about this, and we'll explain about our plans and all. And then they take the demos. If they're interested, they'll join. Or else, like people just come
Mm-hmm.
and go and they do time pass, and we don't care really to such people. And we just consider only those who are interested and really serious about learning
Mm-hmm.
languages. We just teach. I mean, it's not about teaching. We
Mm-hmm.
help them practicing their, speaking skills. We just don't teach LSRW, all this. We
Mm-hmm.
just focus on speaking. Only S part out of four elements we have in the language.
Mm-hmm.
So this is what I do with people. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yes.
I think
Okay.
right?
And my another
Mm-hmm,
question, which is again related to teaching.
mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So my question is, I want to know from you, do you have any structured plan in which way you are going to teach and how many months? And yes,
Yeah,
do
we
you
have.
run any YouTube, any WhatsApp groups for
Uh,
learners?
no, I don't have such plans now. Maybe in future I might do it if I get requests from people to start a sort of community. Yeah, to answer your question, we have sessions like let's take plan randomly. In one plan, we have audio sessions, video sessions, be it audio or video. Audio means like it could be 10 audio, 10 video, and then audio, they'll interact with the tutor over the phone. They
Mm-hmm.
won't see anybody's face or something. On video, the tutor must join with their
Okay.
laptop and then a headset for more clarity, audio and all,
Mm-hmm.
noise cancellation and all. That's when the learner
Mm-hmm.
can join from the phone and they'll interact. The tutor will correct their body language, eye contact, their facial expressions,
Mm-hmm.
how to be confident,
Mm-hmm.
look confident. All these things
Mm-hmm.
can be corrected during the video. And of course, pronunciation, their fluency,
Mm-hmm.
enunciation, thought flow in English, all these things can be corrected. Vocabulary, all these things. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
that's how we actually work on it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So I don't have more questions.
Yeah, thank you for joining, even though you are unwell. You said like you got a cold. Still good that I should appreciate your determination, and it was great interacting with you. I think we'll connect in
Mm-hmm.
some other time if we have any other topic to talk about.
Yeah, yeah, sure. Sure.
Thanks so much. Yeah,
Sure.
bye.
Okay then. Take
Bye.
care.
You too. Bye.